This Key Realty LLC property video is presented by Muriel Wadden. Welcome home to 3315 Coldstream Avenue. This spacious and inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style property offering a fantastic, functional floor plan designed for comfortable living and entertaining. The large living areas flow seamlessly into a well-appointed kitchen featuring a breakfast bar, ample cabinetry, and a refrigerator that remains with the home. The laundry room is equipped with cabinetry and includes a washer and dryer for added convenience. All bedrooms are generously sized with ample closet space. The oversized primary suite is truly a retreat, boasting a large picture window overlooking the back patio, a private bath, and 2 spacious closets. Step outside and you'll love the extras. The 2-car garage opens to the patio area, creating great flexibility for entertaining. Enjoy your very own homemade grill for weekend barbecues, relax in the private jacuzzi, and take advantage of abundant storage throughout. There's even a workshop complete with electricity and air, plus an additional storage shop, excellent for hobbies, projects, or extra workspace. This home truly has it all: space, storage, and special features you won't find every day. For more information, review the details below or contact Muriel Wadden at 318-442-3300.